Walter have an impressive and long-standing relationship with GT Grinding and Gandtrack Limited, so we're here to find out why.
Here at Gandtrack we have 5 electronic grinding machines. I'm Nathan, I've been here for 16 years. We specialise in making tools and cutters for the aerospace industry. We work side by side with GT Grinding. We are a sister company but we're under one roof. The first Walter was bought before I actually started here. It was put on in the 2000 and ever since that we've just expanded year after year to keep up with the ever expanding aerospace industry. Well, when I started here as an apprentice, obviously being an apprentice it's daunting. You've got these big machineries and expensive machines, but they put you at ease and they just help you along the way with that. Well, the service coordinator was a massive help to me. He enabled me to sort of do my job to the best abilities. They helped with any issues we had with machinery, any issues they had with programming. There was only one phone call away. Here at Walter, the massive difference between other competitors of theirs is the aftercare and the service care they provide. The service team is second to none in my eyes. Personally, they've helped me along the years.
We bought our first machine 25 years ago. Since then, we bought Walters. Every time one machine comes off payment, we buy another. Because of the service, we get good service and reliability. We've got the production out on time, difficult production, complicated production, and we're still working very well.
I used to always say when I was younger I'd put one in my garage if I had one. If I didn't need to work then I'd put one in my garage.
Why's that?
Just because I like to use them, I like to have a play, I like to mess about on them. What I really like about Walters is it's all the aftercare and the service team and what they provide for us, and also the applications team on any programming issues you have or any small problem you have a machine, they're on the phone and they can be on the phone for hours with you. That's my selling point for Walter. It's mainly the service team. The machines are great and the software's great and it's really easy to follow, really easy to get used to. Walter Book Your Expert is a great idea. It allows us to look at our optimisation and our processes and then see where we can improve to enable us to make more tooling more efficient for the future. Well, the goals at Gandtrack at the minute are just to support the aerospace and other industries. Walter have enabled us to move at a pace similar to the aerospace industry, where as that's grown, we've grown along with them. The way Walter help us really is making the machines available on 3 to 6 month deliveries. The software is always incredible. The training's always second to none, and it enables us to just keep moving forward at a pace matching the sort of the sectors.